Hi guys, welcome to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be recycling my old wide leg jeans pants to a 3/4 jeans pants. I was about to throw this one, then an idea popped in my head to say, well, why not try to recycle it and make it into something looking a little bit more fancy. So stay tuned for more. So guys, this is my Rampart wide leg jeans pants. And instead of using a measuring tape and then marking it to cut the length that I want, I decided to use this old 3/4 pants so I can get the length that I want, because I like the length of this 3/4 pants. So what I'm going to do then, I'll use a scissors to cut the top leg. And then afterwards, it's going to be easy to cut the bottom one, just like I'm doing in the video. So you can use pins to keep the pants that we're using for measurements steady. And also make sure that the scissors you're using is sharp enough. My scissors is a little blunt. I mean, I don't really care. I was about to throw this, so even if I don't do it correctly, I have nothing to lose. So we're almost done cutting the top piece. Yeah, look at it. So now I can remove these pants for measurements, and this makes it easy for me now to cut the bottom piece. So yeah, let's do some cutting. So we're now cutting the bottom piece. Rest your hand on the jeans just to make it steady, so you cut in a straight way. So I am done. So I've finished. So what I'm gonna do now is pull out some of the threads right at the bottom using this safety pin. I hope you can see it. Or you can use a razor blade. I know this is gonna take some time, so after a few minutes, this is how it looks. But I'm gonna nice it up, just trim off some of these rough looking threads and see how it turns out. So everything is complete. This is how it's looking. It's time to try it on. Let's do it. So guys, this is how it looked, but I didn't like it, so I folded it and I loved it. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. And thanks for subscribing. Goodbye.